Hey guys, how's it going? Uh, Today we're diving into something that many of you have asked about: how to engage in threads discussions effectively. Whether you're commenting on social media, forums, or community threads, it's crucial to make your voice heard while adding value. So let's break it down. First thing first, clarity is key. You want to get your point across without overwhelming your readers. Keep your comments short, but make sure they still carry the right message. Avoid rambling. Focus on your main point and get straight into it. Let's have an example right here, this post, right? The lazy do not know how to start. The losers do not know how to finish. The legends don't know how to stop. And you're going to say, great quote. I have never thought about that before. It's important to stay consistent. Okay, I'm gonna comment right here and post your comment. Stay relevant to the topic. Always make sure your comment is relevant. We've all seen those threads where someone just drops a random thought that doesn't fit the discussion. It's okay to share your opinion, but make sure it relates to the topic at hand. That's how you contribute to the conversation meaningfully, right? Next, ask questions to spark dialogue, all right? Want to keep the conversation flowing? Ask questions. Engaging in the threads isn't just about stating your opinion. It's about sparkling further dialogue. A simple, let's say for example, right here, I'm gonna respond to that person. What do you think about discipline? Right? Discipline. Okay, and I'm gonna right here share my question in the thread, right, and start a dialogue. Or has anyone else experienced this? You can open up a conversation for others to jump in and share their thoughts. And always remain respectful and considerate. Remember, respect goes a long way. Always be mindful of how you communicate with others. Disagreeing with someone, that's totally fine. Just be polite and avoid attacking others personally. A constructive conversation is always more rewarding than a heated argument. Okay? And make sure to add value. Do not just agree or disagree. Make sure that you add value, right? Just don't disagree or agree without backing it up. If you agree, explain why. If you disagree, offer an alternative perspective. That's how you add value to the conversation and show you're engaged, not just passing through, right? Use humor. Next, you can say, for example, right here, if you want to use this as an example, right? Right here, if I want to add value, just let's say, for example, the tree, the grass came from the same place. That's a quote just I come up with at the top of my head, all right? And I can now share it to other people to make them see the other perspective, right? Use humor when appropriate. And hey, humor can be a great way to connect with others as long as it's appropriate and does not derail the conversation. And that's it for today. That's it for today's tips on engaging in threads discussions. Be clear, relevant, respectful, and always add video. Next time you're scrolling through a thread, remember these pointers and jump in with confidence. Drop a comment below. What's your approach to engage in threads? Let's keep this discussion going.